Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best primer for laminate cabinets on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best primer for laminate cabinets. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Using a primer on a laminate cabinet is an inexpensive way to modernize and improve the appearance of the room and kitchen furniture in a short period of time. With a little time, less financial investment, and some hard work, the cabinets will get a richer and customized look. Whether the cabinets need to be shellac, white or clear, water, oil-based, or if you need this to dry fast, the best primer for laminate cabinets will be helpful. Using a primer is also very easy, so this does not take much time. Number 1. KILZ Restoration L200201 Primer for Laminate Cabinets. If you are on a budget but still want to find a good quality primer for your kitchen cabinets, then you might want to try this product. Its restorative properties can bring rundown cabinets back to their old glory. This primer is highly versatile and can be used on anything from wood to metal and glass. This means that this stain blocker primer should offer great coverage if you wish to paint every part of the cabinet, wood, glass, and hardware, a fresh color. Since this primer is water-based, it does not take as much time to apply. This makes it the perfect choice for those who are still beginners at cabinet painting. Since the formula is very easy to apply, you should not have to worry about any stray streaks. Moreover, the latex formula gives it a very quick drying time. It takes only 30 minutes for one coat to dry, which means that even if you have to do a second coat, you'll be done within an hour. If you are in a hurry and want your kitchen renovation project to be done fast, then this is the right primer for you. Pros: very affordable primer. Quick drying time, even with multiple layers. Streak-free, regardless of the brush used. Can cover even difficult stains. Cons: it takes longer to dry if you use a brush or a roller. Number 2. Zinser 03504 Primer for Laminate Cabinets. If you have a lot of stains on your cabinets or you intend to cover bare wood, then you might want to try the Cover Stain from Zinser. Not only is this oil-based primer perfect for covering nasty stains, but it is also great for acting as a base for your paint. This primer features a high hiding formula that makes it amazing for kitchen cabinets. Not only will it hide the stains and sap bleed from underneath, but it will also make it easy for you to clean and maintain the cabinets. While it is an oil-based primer, it dries quickly in comparison to other similar primers. Plus, the Cover Stain is the best primer for cabinets without sanding. Just make sure that you clean the peeling parts and the grease with denatured alcohol before applying the oil primer. Pros: very efficient at hiding stains. The best primer for cabinets without sanding. Dries very quickly. The best bonding primer for cabinets. Doesn't usually need 2 coats. Cons: has a very strong smell. It may take longer to dry if you add a second coat. Number 3. Insel XSXA11009A01 Primer for Laminate Cabinets. If you are not confident in your painting skills and haven't painted any kitchen cabinets before, then you might want to try the water-based sticks primer from Insel X. This one is the perfect choice if you decide to paint your kitchen cabinets, as it can cure even in lower temperatures, as low as 35 degrees Fahrenheit. This primer works on every surface, not just wood, although the best adhesion does occur on properly primed wood. That being said, if your cabinets have metal appliances that you wish to paint as well, this primer will help you out. You can also use it on glossy surfaces. Thanks to the water-based formula, this primer for wood cabinets does not release any strong odors either. It has low VOC levels, which means it's not toxic and it's safe to touch once it dries. With proper ventilation, the smell should not linger on your kitchen cabinets for too long either. The water-based primer leaves a flat, matte finish, making it the ideal choice if you want to follow up with water-based matte paint. That being said, even if you want to obtain that glossy look, you may still use oil-based paint instead. Pros: very easy to apply. Covers even the most difficult stains. Can be used with a sprayer gun. Beautiful matte finish. Cons: it peels if you do not prep the surface properly before you prime it. Number 4. KILZ Adhesion L211101 Primer for Laminate Cabinets. If you are looking for a high-quality water-based primer, you might want to try KILZ Interior Bonding Primer. It's the perfect latex primer for a cabinet paint job, and 1 gallon of this can cover as much as 300 square feet. With superior adhesion properties, this is the perfect choice for using on a difficult surface. It adheres properly, prevents peeling, and dries off in as little as 30 minutes. It is the perfect primer for kitchen cabinets if you wish to finish with priming and painting, all in one day. For any kind of painting method, you can use this formula. You can roll it, brush it, or even spray it if that's your preferred method. Plus, considering that it has a water-based formula, this KILZ primer has quite an impressive coverage. Pros: it dries very fast. It can be layered. The best primer for cabinets. It is compatible with multiple surfaces. Great coverage. Cons: high price in comparison to alternatives. Requires a second coat for some stains or imperfections. Number 5. KILZ 10932 Primer for Laminate Cabinets. If you have a problem with covering stains from your kitchen cabinets, then you might want to go straight to the basics and purchase a good oil-based primer. An option recommended by most painters is the KILZ Original Primer. This product can be easily used on any tough surfaces, including wood, bringing back its former shine. Even if this primer is an oil-based formula, it only takes about 30 minutes for one layer to dry. The cases when you'll need a second layer are rare, but if you do, the drying time should only go down to about 1 hour at most. The formula for this primer works for both bonding and sealing at the same time. This makes it quite resistant to stains, and just as easy to clean in case it gets dirty. All you need is soap and some water, and you'll be good to go. The thick formula for this product makes it easy for you to cover even the more difficult stains with just one layer. Despite that, you can still have an easy time applying it, due to its easy flowing formula. The chances for streaking to occur are very low with this oil primer. Pros: very efficient at covering odors. Excellent coverage with just a single coat. The best oil-based primer for cabinets. Dries very quickly compared to other oil-based primers. Cons: the smell and fumes are strong when you are painting. One last thought. These were the criteria that we used to choose our best primer for laminate cabinets. Are these the only criteria to consider? No, they are not. You can always find the latest and most relevant information on our website. Finally, we filter on the basis of reader satisfaction, since this is at the top of our list. Please support our efforts. If you find any primer for laminate cabinets mentioned here to be incorrect, out of date, outdated, irrelevant, or otherwise inappropriate, we would appreciate your feedback. Please send us feedback and we will make regular corrections to our list in response to your reasonable comments.